In this video I'll be making Dan Dan noodles, home edition. I've never actually been to China to eat these, but they look delicious on the internet. I'll start by grinding the Sichuan peppercorns to give the dish that special flavor. I'll take my nice small bowl and pour in a bit of black vinegar and some soy sauce. I then take my tiny grater to grate some fresh garlic and ginger. I put that into the bowl along with the vinegar and the soy sauce. I cover the bowl with plastic and put it in the fridge to use later. Then it's time for the special flavor sauce. I start with some HOISIN sauce, then soy sauce, and now the hero that will take us right down to Flavor Town. This is my homemade chili oil that I've been working on for half a year now. Spices and aromatics simmered for almost 2 hours in avocado oil, poured over nice chili flakes. And then the Sichuan pepper. Now take a look at this oh, I almost forgot the tahini. Put that in, mix it, and now take a look at this beautiful sauce. I want to have something green in this dish, and I had some cabbage at home. I'll boil the cabbage for 10 minutes to loosen it up. I then put some oil in a pan to fry my vegetarian mince. I'm not a vegetarian, but I think the mince works well. I pour the black vinegar, garlic, ginger and soy sauce mixture over the mince and mix it. The 10 minutes are up and I'll take out my cabbage. To prevent the final dish from being too dry and to add some extra flavor, I prepare some store-bought vegetable stock. Chicken stock works here as well, and it would have been awesome to make it myself. Time to plate this up. I start with the magic sauce. Gotta make it perfect. Then I add the noodles, the boiled cabbage, the veggie mince, and finally I pour over the vegetable stock. It's now time to mix all this up to distribute all the flavor. And since I'm not an expert at mixing noodles, I'll speed this up. Time has come to test this creation. This was very delicious.